Wall Street benchmarks closed modestly higher on Wednesday, with the Nasdaq Composite achieving its latest record finish, despite a chaotic half-hour when news reports suggested U.S. President Donald Trump was set to fire Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell. Shortly before midday, the benchmark S&P 500 and Nasdaq fell more than 1%, while the dollar plunged and Treasury yields rose after Bloomberg News reported the possibility of replacing Powell, citing an identified White House official. Separately, Reuters News reported, citing a source, that Trump was open to the idea of firing Powell. Trump was quick to deny the reports, even as he unleashed a new barrage of criticism against Powell for not cutting interest rates.
The big move was earlier in the day when a rumor came out that President Trump had said he was going to fire Federal Reserve Chairman Powell. And then we saw the markets react violently, both the bond market and the stock market, and the slow move back as that rumor or floated idea was increasingly clarified, and we were told that the president has no plan to fire Fed Chairman Powell. We had a bunch of financials report today. Goldman Sachs really reporting a strong quarter across the board, trading up, lots of departments up, a little bit of weakness in investment banking, but above expectations. And we know that that is a lighter area right now, that everyone is looking to gain strength in the future. So of course the question is, why are these stocks down? They do look like they've bounced off the lows for the day. But I really think what we're seeing across the board is profit taking. There was no comments from leaders about slowing growth. There's nothing under the covers that looks like it's causing a problem. For some of the banks yesterday, there was a little pressure on net interest margins, but that's not really what we're seeing today. But remember, these top leading banks and brokerage houses really have soared so far this year, while other sectors have struggled. There's been really great growth. And I do think all we're seeing here is profit taking in a situation where the question is, how much better could it get after this report?